Welcome back to another edition of Cars of Sweden Live. You find me at home once again as per usual, so we'll take a look outside and see what we have in store for us today. It's a Wrangler, time to do some serious off-roading. The 2015 Wrangler Jeep Unlimited. This model coming at you with a V6 3.6 litre engine, giving up 285 brake horsepower. As we take a look inside, it's a Jeep. These cars haven't traditionally changed too much on their layout over the years, so anybody coming from the Jeep experience is going to feel very comfortable here. And if we look in the centre of the dash, we'll find the traditional big round air ducts and of course the electric window controls, because we all know that the Jeeps come apart like Lego, so when you're taking the doors off you don't want wires and all these sort of cables in your way. Starting from the top, we have our media player, and of course it comes with Bluetooth, phone connectivity and radio navigation, all your usual stuff. Moving down, we have our heating controllers and also heated front seats. And of course we have our automatic gearbox and our high and low gearing. A really nice and comfortable place to be with these leather cloth seats, big armrest in the middle and a couple of cup holders. This model comes equipped with the side skirts and some tough, rugged, all-weather fitted rubber mats. If we take a look at the back seats, loads of headroom, reasonable leg room, USB connectivity, all round nice place to be.
I think it was that one, Chief. Yeah.
Ja, den släcks nu. Så, men behöver det GPS, pappa?
Nej, det är sån är det alltså.
Okej.
So driving the Wrangler Jeep Unlimited definitely feels more comfortable in this environment, and it should do really, because check out the boots on this thing. Now seriously, check out the boots. Now this Wrangler Jeep is trial rated. Trial rated, what does it mean? Not sure. But out here, things are starting to make a lot of sense. It's when you're out here in nature where you start thinking about the history of this car and where everything came from. Back to the Willys Jeep. The ability to put these things together and take them apart. And if we take a look at that ground clearance with those wheels and that winch, this bad boy should have a sign saying all access. Most Wrangler Jeeps are waterproof inside and can clear a water depth of around 76 centimeters, but this one is probably closer to 90. This Jeep don't joke, believe me. So, what is the Jeep Wrangler? Is it a family car? Yeah, I guess it can tick that box. It's got 4 seats, a big boot, all the luxuries of a normal family vehicle. But let's keep this real. This isn't for daddy or mummy dropping the kids off at school and doing the Sunday shopping. This is so much more than that. This is for the people that live outside. This is for the people that see dirt roads as challenges, not to get from one place to the other. Can't help but feel like kind of a king out here in one of these vehicles. You almost want to get stuck somewhere so you can pull yourself out and show you just what this car is all about. And even when the sun goes down, it's no problem for this baby, because with these light bars, it's easy to turn nighttime back into daytime. Looking at this car with its 285 brake horsepower, I kind of feel like that's not what's really important here. The car's more about opening it up, taking off the T-tops, maybe even taking off the doors and having the air flush through the cabin. It's that kind of car, I feel. So it's more about torque than it is about top end. So in summary to this video, is this car something for me? No, I don't think so. I'm the kind of guy that likes to sit a little bit closer to the tarmac. But if you're the more adventurous type, maybe this car is something for you. And as of March 2020, this car is currently for sale, and you can find all the details in the description. Thanks to the guys at Autogruppen in Sandered for making the show possible, and also to all you guys watching the show. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got a lot of good stuff coming up for you guys in the future, so make sure you subscribe and you don't miss a thing. If you're on lockdown somewhere in the world, don't forget, stay at home, stay safe, and we've got more material coming for you guys. So until next time, take care. See you all again very soon.